Hi, welcome to the art. I wanted to share one of the best tools I use in my painting when I'm painting. This is a container, a reusable container that can keep your acrylic paint fresh for years. I use many times pigments, natural pigments with polymers. They keep also fresh. If you don't close the container properly, of course, and you have very little paint, the paint will dry, so you need to make sure the containers are closed properly. Sometimes if you get too much paint on the edges, you cannot open the containers, so you need to just soak them in hot water for a little while so that way you can reopen them. I'm going to show you, you'll see in the next few seconds, this is a paint that I've been keeping in a storage unit for over 3 years. And see, that one's still fresh. That contains a little bit of water. And then this particular one, it's been fresh for years. See, look, it's still very good, very usable. It's in perfect condition. And like I said, it's been in storage for over 3 years. So this is a container that I highly recommend. It's very light in weight. It holds up to 2 ounces. You can create your own mixtures. This is another container that was also in storage, and you can see the paint is still fresh, which is really remarkable. It's an incredible savings, especially with acrylic paint that dries so quickly. And as you can see, after the containers have been soaked in water for a little bit, you can open them. That one has quite a bit of water, but still, in perfect condition. So as you can see, it's great to be able to have something like this. This particular container, I just closed it without even noticing if it had any paint or anything. So there's really nothing in there. But as you can see, the paint's still fresh in some of the containers that I'm showing you. Like I said, this one holds up to 60 milliliters, which is about 2 ounces. So it's great to create specific formulas or unique colors. I use them a lot for that, so I highly recommend. You can find them in my store. There's packages of 6, 12, and 24. Have a great day. Bye.